Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings application and then we should tap to connection and sharing. Here we will see NFC section, and just to turn it on or turn it off, we should use this NFC switcher. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. Here, if you don't see the NFC icon, just click to this edit icon, and now just to edit, we should click to this plus. Then just go back to save the changes, and we can see here now the NFC icon. Just to turn it on or turn it off, we should just click here on this icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.